Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a look with Anastasia Beverly Hills Fall Romance eyeshadow palette, which is this baby right here. I bought it when it came out, but I wasn't able to really try it. So I'm going to do it today on camera with you. So if you're interested to see what I come up with, then please just keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So like I mentioned in my introduction, I'm going to be doing a look using Anastasia's Fall Romance eyeshadow palette. I bought it and I never got a chance to really play with it, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So this is the palette right here. This is the cardboard. Back here is the eyeshadow palette and a description of the ingredients for every eyeshadow in the palette. And this is the actual palette right here, which is that beautiful burgundy, like wine color, and it's velvety material. It's nice, but the only thing I don't like is that it gets really dirty, but it's not a problem. If not, I wouldn't have bought it, but yeah. And then let's open it up. Dun, dun, dun. This is her right here. Really pretty. So yeah. So before I jump into the eyeshadow palette and the look, I did my eyebrows like always. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to outline the eyebrows. Then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Powder to fill them in. And then I used MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to outline the bottom of my eyebrow, or carve it out, and then prime the lids. And then of course I set that with my Dermablend translucent setting powder. And yeah, that's all I have so far. So now I'm gonna jump into the look. So not sure what I want to do, but I think I want to use Divine. I have to. Do you see that beautiful purple? So I think I'm gonna go into that. But first I'm gonna use my Morphe MM5. This is your typical blending brush, and this was part of the Mickey and Friends collection. But I'm gonna go into the shade Leather, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that to the crease. And let's hope this look comes out how I'm envisioning it. I love how this shade is blending. It's really pretty. And like I mentioned in my previous eye tutorial, there's some dry patches currently. It has nothing to do with the formula of any eyeshadow palette that I'm using. It's just I was lacking on my skincare, and yeah, you definitely can tell. So I'm working on it. I have a strict skincare routine for morning and night, just because I want to, you know, fix this situation, because you can definitely see some patches, and yeah, it doesn't look cute. But it has nothing to do with the eyeshadow palette. It's just me. But yeah, anyways, so now I think I'm gonna go into the shade Crimson, which is this beautiful, I don't know if it's brown or like a dark wine color, but this shade right here. And I'm going to apply that. Oh, and I'm using the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill brush, the JH33. And I'm gonna apply that shade. I'm gonna go lightly, and I'm gonna apply this shade to the outer part right here, and I'm placing it, and then I'm gonna blend it out. And I only want to keep it on the outer part right here, and I don't want to bring it up to the crease either. Then I'm gonna lightly blend that to the crease. Alrighty, so I like how that's looking. I'm just gonna grab my blending brush, and I'm just gonna go over the edges so there's no harsh lines. Alrighty, so I like how that is looking. Now I'm gonna jump into the shimmers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply the Pat McGrath Labs Intensify Eyes Artistry wand. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna use this and apply it to wherever I don't have anything on the lid. Alrighty, so typically I use my finger instead of a brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the shade. All right, so I'm gonna apply Fireside, which is this gold shade right here, to the lid. That's such a pretty shade. And it goes really nice with this brown. Okay, so now for the fun part. I'm gonna add the shade Divine, which is this like purple shade, and I'm gonna apply that right in the middle of both that gold shade or peachy shade and the burgundy. So like so. And I'm just using my finger to blend it into that crimson shade we got in this outer corner and into that peachy shade. Your fingers are your best tools. So now I'm gonna get a little bit of Fireside. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a brush. And I'm gonna get the Cinch Beauty E.L.F brush, and I'm gonna use that Fireside color to place it on the lid. So it's picking up nicely with the brush. Then I'm gonna turn over my brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Divine to apply more of that shade and blend it into that crimson shade, which is the darker color we have in the outer part. Okay, now I'm going to use the JH33 brush with no additional product, and I'm just going to run it through into that Divine shade. Try and blend it in a little bit more. And I don't think I'm going to add, well, yeah, I don't think I'm going to add any more of that, I guess, wine color, because I like how dark it is and I want to keep it wearable. Now I'm going to use my blending brush and I'm just going to go over the edges so everything is blended out nicely and there's no harsh lines. Alrighty, so amigas, this is the look. So now I'm going to jump off camera. I'm going to do liner, lashes, face, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. So hang tight. Alrighty, amigas, so this is the final look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Fall Romance palette, and I love it. I loved everything about this. It screams fall for sure. And in the inner corner I have this lilac color called Moonlight, you know, to add some razzle dazzle to the eye look. But yeah, I love it so much and I wish I was going somewhere so I can rock this eye look, but I'm not. But yeah, I love it so much. I'm probably gonna recreate it again maybe during the weekends and wear it out so people can see. But yeah, I really love the eye look and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do have the palette, even if you don't, I hope it inspires you to, you know, play with a little bit of color. So yeah, anyways, I talked way too much. So I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.